In today, let's talk about how to remove any object from any photo. First, get a duplicate layer of this background layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Then get the lasso tool to select, or you can use quick selection tool, or you can use rectangular marquee tool or any other selection tools. So I use lasso tool to select, then zoom it, and I'm going to select this person. After select, go to edit tab and go to fill menu. In this fill menu, in this drop down, click on content area, then press OK. Then press Ctrl D to deselect. Then you can see the person in this photo is simply removed. By using this step, you can remove any object from any photo. So this is the before edit, this is the after edit result. Then you can see the differences between this image and this image. So if you can do this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new videos quickly for you. So we will see in another interesting video with more new stuff, and see you again on TECHEX.